Hi, I'm Anna Uspienska. I'll show you how to help your adult students organize their homework diaries. First of all, you need a Google account for you and for all your students. And you go to your Google Drive and you create a new spreadsheet. It's a new document. You must name this spreadsheet somehow. For example, name of your student, maybe Pierre Richard, I don't know, any. And now you're ready to start. And you put the date, and it can be deadline or date of the lesson, it's up to you. And put number 1 and write the home task. For example, maybe workbook, page 11, exercise 10, or anything else. And number 2, let's say this course book, page 23, exercise 45, anything. What is really interesting about this tool is that you can add links here. For example, you want your student to do exercises from Oxford University Press site or anything, any extra resources, and you find this. For example, you want them to do grammar for file 2 from New English file, lesson A, and here you can see a nice exercise. You just copy the link and you paste the link here. Or maybe you want to use Quizlet and you've got a set done for your students, and you can just share the set. Again, you copy the link and you insert it here. Not to write all the numbers, you just select these two and use cross, and it will be done automatically. Now, to let Pierre use the spreadsheet, you must share it. You go to share button. Now this document is private and only people listed below can have the access. So you can invite Pierre by typing his email address here and make sure that he can edit, not just comment of you, but edit. And then you share and save it. Or you can change the private status to anyone with the link and save. And then you can send this link to anyone you want to use this document with. Now Pierre can use his diary. And if he's done number 1, he writes here done. And if he's done this task, again he writes here done. And it is really useful for Pierre to see how much he's got ahead and how much he's done. To make it easier for him, you can use data validation, and you list of items and you write here done, and display insert button to show list, save. And now you can see the small triangle here, and if you click, you have pre-typed done. So Pierre doesn't have to type, just can click on done and it appears here. Not to repeat the action, you can just use cross tool and all these cells will have the same data validation. What is nice about this kind of diary is that you can follow Pierre's progress, especially if the task is really big, maybe 10 or 20 items here. So you go to Tools, Notification Rules, and you set notification rules here. For example, if any changes are made in the document, maybe Pierre has done anything or wrote a comment in cell, for example here, it may be comment cell, you will be emailed. You can choose to be emailed daily or just right away, just moment Pierre has done anything. For example, I choose this one, save, done. If you ask Pierre to set the same notification rules for his document, well, you will have the opportunity to change anything, to add any tasks, or to withdraw any task back. And you will be sure that Pierre will be emailed about that and he'll know about that. You may also make some of the items optional, and then your task will be more flexible. What is really nice about this kind of diary is that it can be personalized. For example, Pierre wants to do some extra work and he just opens the document, he writes number 5, and for example he wants to read something, to read Harry Potter, pages, well, let's say 55 to 66. And if he reads it and he can then put done, and you see that he's done. And then in the class you can ask him if he liked it or not, or any follow-up questions. And this will really motivate students to do some extra work, and this encourages them, definitely. Thank you very much. I hope you'll use it. And it would be extremely useful if you wrote anything about your own experience with creating students' diaries in comments. Follow my blog, follow my Twitter. Bye!